Hello, my name is Ritesh and you're watching Dancing with Data. And today we are going to discuss at how artificial intelligence is going to change any data analyst day-to-day work. How Power BI Copilot feature will affect your day-to-day work. So I will tell you my review on a video from Guy in a Cube channel. Remember one thing that your end user is not only looking for descriptive analytics, which is what happened. And in most of the cases, we are providing that. For example, the summary page, it's all about descriptive analytics. That's good, but they are looking forward to diagnostic analytics, why did it happen, predictive analytics, what will happen, and prescriptive analytics, that how to make it happen. Imagine if you go to a doctor and if he just talked about what happened and if he won't give you the reason, diagnostic analytics, predictive, if he cannot tell what can happen in the future if you don't take the dose or medicines, at the end he will always give you the prescription. So imagine if he just does the descriptive analytics, it will be a blunder. What was the complex part? Let's dive into traditional BI first. First of all, it was quite slow. It was slow because there used to be one centralized BI or say IT team, and all the different domains like HR, sales, and audit to interact with the centralized team, get their job done. So it used to take a lot of time. Because of that, the BU teams they had limited accessibility because every time they need to contact the IT team. It means long processes, right? Taking days to post your dashboard, which was quite awful. There were scalability issues because you never had those mobile apps, so you can't push your dashboard to the executives because they won't spend their time to watch dashboards and all. And you have all these issues because it is IT centric. Whereas the modern BI is agile because it is more accessible because you have your own data analyst for your own domain. So now you don't depend upon the IT team over there. Scalable because now you have mobile app which helps you to extend the viewership. And definitely the modern BI approach is more business centric. And this revolution came along the tools like Tableau and Power BI. First Tableau came and then Power BI. Modern BI is not bad at all, but you know that change is the only constant thing in this world. So it required that reform, that enhancement, which can basically bring the end users closer to the insights. And those insights will help them to take informed decisions. So we wanted that lethal combination, and this combination is modern BI plus artificial intelligence AI. And that is equal to future BI powered by what? Can you tell me? Can you guess? You guess is right. It's AI Copilot or say Power BI Copilot, say Tableau Copilot, Snowflake Copilot, it's everywhere. Now remember one thing that artificial intelligence features were already there with Power BI as well or say even Tableau. But that date, 30th November 2022, when ChatGPT was released, and as I said, AI was already there, but this was the first time when even a common user can interact with AI and get the insightful result. And this was something which was pretty new and it stumped everyone in the BNN analytics zones. And it has almost forced all the modern BI tools to have a feature like ChatGPT as a part of their product. And that has given birth to Copilot across so many BI tools. So now how it is going to change your life as a Power BI data analyst, what is the best way to move forward along with the AI Copilot or say Power BI Copilot? So let's go to the next and important section of this video. So here we will see the actual forthcoming Copilot features which will change your day-to-day work and how you will see it together. So presenter is Carly or different Carly. And I really like the way she has presented. Very lively, very insightful. This video link will be there at the description. Please do watch because we will move it quickly and focus on those 5 features. First one was the measure description where Copilot can describe the measure for you. You can just go and populate the description for any of the measure if it is valid. So it's up to you to accept or reject. But now it's pretty convenient for you to describe all the measures over there. And maybe in the future, in one shot, you can do it. Now, this can be quite revolutionary for you because you just write with the natural language, you give the scenario, and you get the DEX function. Because DEX function can be complicated at times. So this can assist you and this can answer the question that I posed at the beginning of this video. You do need DEX knowledge. You do need proper Power BI knowledge because at the end of the day, you need to validate that whether the DEX function that whatever you're getting as a result of your natural language query is correct or not. So this will be another great addition for your day-to-day work. Never ever expect that this is going to solve a complex end-to-end scenario for you. So you need that DEX knowledge for sure. The next feature was under report creation, and it is explain my model or explain your semantic model. So it will just explain what your model is all about. So this can be pretty handy. So if you are new to a team and you just want to start from somewhere, you can just go to explain my model and try to get the insight from the data model perspective. Since now you have understood your data model, it will suggest visuals as well. So you give a scenario, it will create visuals for you. And as I said earlier as well, it's up to you. It's very important for you to have in and out knowledge of Power BI and your business function so that you accept the visual that was created or you can reject as well. So remember that. The next one is the narrative visual. So once you have the page with you, we have created the page. Now you can narrate that. And this is really very handy when you want to present this to the executives. So you want to narrate the visualizations that you have. So just hit the button and you get the narration. And again, you can accept or you can reject. Let's conclude now. Remember, Copilot is there to assist Pilot. He is not there to replace the Pilot. All the vital decisions are taken by Pilot. Basically, Copilot is there to assist you on the repetitive and less cognitive tasks where you need to make use of more human intelligence. On the other hand, the perception of you knowing less about Power BI or Tableau can work in the market because you know how to operate AI. Remember, you are going to fall badly. You still need to be Power BI expert, you still need to be Tableau expert because AI outputs are not foolproof. It can be wrong at times. And there should be someone who should raise his hand and say that, hey, this is wrong. I'm not going to go with this suggestion. And that person is the data analyst. So, a complicated scenario, it is not in a position to even get you the result. I hope this video was informative. If it was, thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are coming here for the first time. So keep on dancing with data क्योंकि data ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है